Hi guys, it's TMI and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be talking about North Korea. Yes, the worst country in the world. North Korea is not a joke. It's isolated, it's dangerous, it's strict, it's oppressive, it's cruel, it's poor, but above all, it's depressing. So here's my time inside North Korea. I visited North Korea by taking a 24-hour train from Beijing to the border. Here, you can only enter as a part of an organized tour group. Once you cross the border, you enter a whole new world. Soldiers will inspect everything you own. You can't take pictures of people in military uniform. They make sure you don't carry any Bibles, any Qurans, or any religious texts because religion is banned. No political books, no nude magazines, no internet transmitters, and above all, no sensitive information. They will check your phone for your information. There is no privacy. And you know what? It's normal. Because North Korea is not a country, it's a prison. You will see extreme poverty, extreme isolation, with no freedom, no Wi-Fi, no Facebook, no access to the outside world. This place is such a closed community that everything they produce is produced internally, which means that there is no trade or very little trade with other nations. Now you can't blame an average North Korean civilian for trying to escape their country and live a prosperous life, right? Here's a clip of a family that tried to escape North Korea. The dad and the son were able to escape, but the mother and the child got caught. Just see how the guards handled this situation. It was horrible. Roll the clip.
그러다 보니까 나머지 그 어린아이하고 여성들만 남았지 않습니까? 셋이. 문 밖에만 들어가면은 뭐 어려움이 생기더라도 국제사회가 관심을 가져줄 테니까 하여튼 끝까지 안심하고 가서 기약을 구해달라고 그래서 이제 어려움이 생기면 죽겠다는 이야기를 잘 하죠. 그래서 최악의 경우 자결은 하지 말라. 이 사람들이 이거 죽는다는 말 또 그런 것을 쉽게 생각하거든요.
And this is not the only problem. No matter how much they try to hide it, North Korea is poor. On the highway, there are very few cars. Because people can't afford them. This is the main highway of North Korea. Look how many cars are there on the road. Inside homes, there is no stable power because it keeps going out. Power went off again. Outside homes, poverty is apparent and people are trapped inside. They have a beautiful culture, beautiful traditions, amazing sports events, circuses and dances. They are proud people. But the problem is, they don't matter. What matters in North Korea is its missiles, tanks, soldiers, the fake illusion of power. Military displays are everywhere in the country, and leaders are on every building. This is what the country chose to focus on at every cost. And not this. My time in North Korea lasted 5 days and it was orchestrated to see what the government wants you to see. On my tray out of the country, I was checked one last time by the soldiers. There is no solution for the average North Korean. Their country is and will remain a prison. One day, it may be as prosperous as its neighbor South Korea. But that day is very far from today. All we can do is pray for North Korea. Pray for its people. Pray for its children. Pray for the country. This is me signing off, and I'll meet you next week. Boom.